Hello. Welcome back. We're just straight up continuing where we left off. Hopefully I've remembered what the controls are. Hasn't been that long since I last played, so I better. Okay. Let's see. These up. Take these with us. Going back. Hopefully we can get some of those moth-looking things. Can we climb with the rocks? Yeah, we can. Good, good. Get in here. Oh. This again. I hate this room. I hate it. No, I don't want to go in there. I don't want to. Why is that flashing red? The one up there. Actually. Oh, I have two. Okay, ready? Oh, frick. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? No, come back here. I was gonna hit it. Bam. Can I hit you? Come here. No. Okay. Okay. Yoy! Yoy! I got one. What is it? What are you doing? Can I eat it? Can I eat you? Can I? No, I can't eat you. I guess I need food. Oh no. No. Oh. Is it running away? I want the rock. I am armed. I am armed. Ah! Here, we need moths before we get pelted with rain. Stop. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. No, no, no. Okay. Can I just go up? No. Oh dear. Come on, man. Gotta get up. Before we all die. Come on. Eesh. There we go. Bam. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Hopefully this time this goes better. Ah. Eek. It's bad. Don't be mad at me. I didn't do anything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah! No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Well, I did, but I didn't. I didn't know you'd be angry. Oh, there's a pink one. Oh, the pink one slapped. Okay. Can we go in here? Yeah. Go up here. Oh dear. That's a bit of green I see. Aye, green is scary! Aye, aye. No, 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 no! Please don't. Please. I need a bit of food. Oh dear. I've gone British. Oh, oh dear. Are you still mad? Are you the same one that I just hit? Are you still mad at me? It was an accident, I swear. No. Hey. Go in here. Pink one's being really nice. I don't want it. I saw somewhere that you can, like, tame these things. Oh, there's so many. There's so many. Can we please? Can we all just be friends? Oh, dear. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that! Don't. Oh, my God. I thought the pink one was nice! I thought the pink one was nice. It was being nice. Okay. Oh dear, I've tabbed out of the game. There we go. Okay, well, we've learned how to use spears better. I mean, it didn't help us there, but let's pick this up. There we go. Armed and dangerous. Oh, let's pick this up too. Actually, I want to just do this. There we go. Hopefully I remember to go and crop that for the thumbnail. Me just standing there with a rock and a spear. Let's do it here. There we go. That should be easier. Less stuff in the background. Okay. We gotta go and get just enough. Okay. See? I forgot that it immediately goes and it, like, you know. I just saw that light up with green. Okay. Aye. There we go. There we go. I'm getting better at that. Okay. Come here. Okay, that one's not getting out. You're not leaving. You're not. What the frick? Oh, is it because my hands are full? No, this is the one I want. Oh, can I not? Oh, oh dear. Come here. Oh dear, what's happening? I'm scared. Okay, buddy. Yeah, you just leave me alone, please. No. Stop. 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 Run, run, run. Okay. There we go. Don't fail. Alright. No, no, no. No, no, no. Up, 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 up. Don't do that. Oi, no. Oh, I got one. Didn't even realize. I got one. I got another one. Ah! Okay, are we gonna go? What are we doing? What are we doing, little hologram man? Oh dear, is it gonna fall? Is it gonna fall? Come on, go, 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 go. There's a thing. Let's take this. Go, go. Go to our little den. There we go. Sleeping right here. Crawling up. We're good. Oh, our spear's right here. And our rock. Hey. Hey. There we go. What? What? I don't get what? What is hologram man trying to say? What are you doing? Wants me to go there? Is that what you're pointing at? Yeah. Oh, okay, it's telling me to go this way. Thank you, kind hologram man. I Cycle 3 outskirts. Yeah. Oh, no. Can I have spear? Thank you. What are we doing? Okay. Oi! Oh, no, no, no. No, go here. Okay. Oh, I don't like it here. I don't get what I'm trying to do. What I'm supposed to do. Can I go up here? Oh! Yikes! Frick! Let it go. Oh. Give me spear, get rid of rock. That is my new saying, or my new whatever. Please don't. No! No, 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 no. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I get. That was not functional. Forgetting how to, like, just jump. Do basic things. Hologram, man! I don't get what you want! That dude needs to go. Wait till he goes. I think he's fine. Seems occupied. There we go. What are you? Oh, can I eat it? I ate it. Fighting. Okay, that's what happens when you fight. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's just go. I don't even know. Oh dear. Can I want to see what that is. Oh no. I want to know what those fruits are, but I can't reach them. Yeah, I know. I'm picking it up. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh dear. I think it's rain. Wait, come here. They're coming from here. I have to stand here, don't I? No, come here. Gosh. Yeah. Stop. Stop. Okay, I got it. Eat it. Okay, we're good. Does it want us to go over there? This where you want us to go? Not a mind reader. Oh dear. Does it want us to go this way? Okay. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. What? Okay, we're a pro. And now we run. Simply put, we run. Oh dear. Okay, now we go up. Come on. No. There we go. Oh dear. But I'm not near there. I'm not near there. I can't, I don't think I have time to go back. Do I? Okay, come on, let's go. Let's try. So we're going up here. Let's see if we can get over. Can I even get over there? Frick. I didn't do that right. Oh dear. Oh no. How do we do this? You're being... Oh, I had 8? Okay. Okay. How do we do this? Can I eat? No? Okay. You know what? We'll eat later. We'll eat later. Can I eat while in the tunnels? There we go. Perfect. Grabbing a snack for the road. Now where are we going? Where are we going? Buddy! My dude abandoned me! Where? No, okay, finish eating it. There we go. Can we get through here? No, that's not a way to go. I'm gonna die. We're gonna die. Go. No, not yet, not yet. No, not yet. Ow. Not yet. We've gotten so far. My little dude abandoned me. Oh, wait. Okay, come on. Come on, go. Go. No. Come on, go. Go. Up. Stop it. Stop, you little whatever spider that was. I don't even want to know what that was. Come on, go. No. Not yet. Not yet. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. That was, oh my. What are you doing? What? Is it mad because I abandoned me? Okay. Hey. Let's see, how far are we? Okay, we have our rock. Oh, do we have 2 rocks? We have 2 rocks. I don't want 2 rocks. Throw one. There we go. What was that one spider thing I saw before, though? Little hologram, dude. Yeah, you want me to go back up there? What if I go this way? How do you feel about that? I only need 1 bat for today. So I think I have 2 from yesterday. Oh, is this... Okay, that way is not a way. I can't get up there. Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay. No? Can we, like, hyper jump? Okay, not the correct way. Can we, like... No? Okay, whatever. We're leaving. We're leaving. I'm done with this. What is that? Whatever. We're grabbing 2 of these. Things seem to be getting more dangerous. So we're grabbing 2 of these. I want to go a new way. I know moths are up there. I know. Is there nothing more to this game than... Wait, what does it want me to do? Come here, no! Yeah, we're picking this up. Oh! No! Don't open your mouth at me! Okay, what? It wants me to go this way? What? Why is it showing me my own face? I do not have a rock. I thought I had 2. Oh. Eat it. There we go. We're good now. We are good. Oh. Can we eat it? Eat it. There we go. Oh, there's another one. Okay, there's a little cave right here. Oh dear. Oh, you want me to go here? So now where do you want me to go? Up there? Should have said so earlier. I do not trust this. I feel like I'm gonna get rained on. Okay, do we go up here? Hologram, dude. Do we go up? I assume we go up. Purple. Yeah. Okay. What? What? Okay, do we go this way? Concerned. Yeah, where do we go? Yeah, okay, where do we go? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Interesting. 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 Where do you want us to go? Oh, we can walk across this, okay. Can we go down? No. Okay, well... How do I even get over there? I don't understand. Tell me where to go. Do you want me to go back there? Oh, oh dear. Okay, I thought I just died. Okay, you want me to go up there? You should have told me sooner. Yeah, you want me to go there? You should have told me sooner. Yeah, I know. I see you looking at it. Now, how do you want me to get over here? It was like explaining, but I don't get your cryptic messages. Can't grab anything up there. What? Now you're gone. Where do you want me to go? Explain. I wish I could climb these. Where do you want me to go, buddy? There is nowhere to go. Okay, it's gonna die. Do you want me to go back? What? I'm gonna bite you. Yeah, you want me to go? Okay. I don't understand. Do I need to go the other way? Okay. Yeah, I know, buddy. But I don't know how to even do that. I don't know what you want from me. Yeah, I know you're upset, but you're not telling me what to do. You are not telling me what to do. What? Should have speared it. Ugh. Yeah. Where are you? I'm gonna die. You're not telling me what to do. You can go through here. Oh, it doesn't lead to anything. See, now the little dude. Oh, there's something red. Okay. No. What? Ow! Did you just bite me? No. Can I eat you? That's what I thought. Do I need, like, another player for this? Is this even, like, capable? Oh. Would have been useful. There's stuff down there. My little hologram dude is gone now. He got fed up. Can I go down here? See, I don't get what it wants me to do. Oh. Yeah, there's nothing I can do. No amount of, like, key smashing to find a control is gonna do anything. Okay. He's not even showing up anymore. Buddy. Should I look it up? Here, I'm gonna look it up. Oh, I don't have my phone. Oh, never mind. I can look it up on my desktop. You know what? I've reached my time, so I'm gonna end here, and then next time I will look up what to do here, because I don't get it. He is trying to put me in that room, but there's nothing to do. So I'll see you next time. Bye.